Hello, welcome to the Job Tracker tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to track your product installation. One of the key features to keep in mind is since we are starting with our MeasureSquare project file, we know all of our quantities for each room of our project, making tracking a breeze. To get started, locate your plan to start adding your tasks. Then, click on your rooms that you will be installing your products into. You will notice that when you click on your different rooms, their information will appear on the right side of the screen. You will also see what products and quantities have been applied to the MeasureSquare takeoff as well. To make a task, we can click on the plus sign located here in the top right and click on the product installation to create our task pin. This will bring you to a new pop-up window where you can start filling out your task information. You can adjust your status, assign to a task group, include your start and due date, as well as assign different workers to watch the progress of the installation to make sure things are moving according to schedule. Once everything is set, you can click on the Save button in the bottom right. Now you will be brought to the Plan View page and your task details will be on the right side. All products that have been applied to the MeasureSquare takeoff can be clicked on to adjust the different completion rates based on the quarterly percentages. You can also adjust any information that is needed if any product updates may appear, such as due dates or even update who is assigned to this task. At the bottom of this task detail, you have the option to add any photos as well as a description. Once the tasks have been completed, you can select Mark as Done in the bottom right of your screen. You can also select multiple rooms at once by selecting Products tab at the bottom right of your window. From this window, you can click on your product that you want to create a task for, and then click on the paper with the checkmark icon in the top right, which will show all the rooms the product is applied to. This will allow you to quickly generate and apply tasks to save you time to move forward to the next task. When you click Save, you will receive pins in all of the areas all at once, which will help you save time from tapping into individual regions to add those markers. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.